Okay, cool. So I think that's fine. Okay, so we can get started with today's class. Okay, so I hope all of you had a crazy weekend. Okay, so the 3 days. Okay, almost 3 days of holidays. Saturday, Sunday, as well as Monday. Okay, so if you did something very exciting, you can just send in the chat so that we all can get to know how interesting your weekend was. If it was just normal, decent weekend, just like mine, then that's okay. No need to send. Okay. If you did something truly adventurous, okay, something really worth sharing with everyone, you can definitely, let us know. Okay, fine. So I'll just quickly go through everyone's message. Okay, so yes, Shweta, Pranamya, Rashmi, Sri Gauri, Amok, good evening. Good evening, all. Then Sneha, yes, thank you for Raksha Bandhan wishes. Okay, thank you. Okay, then Aparna, Kunal, then Sri Krishna, Pranamya, everyone, good evening. So, yes, says he has school exams. Okay, all the best. Okay, all the best. Then Kunal is asking for me to show the Raki. So I just got one Raki. I hope you can see. Okay, this is the Raki. Okay, so this is my friend's sister's Raki. Okay, okay. Then Sri Krishna. Okay, very good. Okay, very good, Sri Krishna. Next, Ravana says he prepared Barfi sweet. Very good. How was it? Okay, Suhani says she tied Rakhi to her brother and got very good gifts. Very nice. Okay, I think, like you enjoyed the weekend. Okay, then Shiv Kumar says he went outside after 4 5 months. Okay, good. Then everyone. Okay, so then Priyanka, Sri, Hari, Siddharth, Dia. Okay, Sunidhi, everyone. Okay, so good evening. Okay, Shaurya is asking, are there classes during school exams? Of course, Shaurya. School exams are different. Avanti classes are different. Okay, so we cannot give holidays for every school's exam. Correct, now? Different schools have different exams. If you then keep on giving holidays, then you won't have classes only. Okay, so school exam separate, Avanti classes separate. Okay. So then Sanjana wrote poem. Okay, for her brother. Okay, on this auspicious occasion of Raksha Bandhan. So very good. Okay, so very nice. And everyone else. Okay, so everyone else. Okay, who did amazing things. Okay, so fantastic. Abhi did school project. Okay, and everyone. So if I missed out, okay, if you missed out some of your messages. Okay, so I'm sorry for that. Okay, now we'll get started. Okay, we'll get started with today's class. Okay, so what did I do? What did I do? Okay, so mine was kind of simple. Okay, so simple, not so exciting weekend. Okay, so very simple weekend. Okay, so I spent with my family. Okay, so I did travel. Okay, I did travel little bit. Okay, for this 3 days. And where did I go? Okay, so why did I travel? I'll tell in some time. Okay, it's chota sa story. Okay, but an important story, so I'll tell you later. Okay, so we'll get started with today's class. Okay, we'll get started with today's class. Okay, so now let's continue. Okay, let us continue from where we left. Okay, so if you remember 3 days ago, or almost like 4 days ago, when we were doing separating techniques. Okay, some of you may remember, some of you may not remember. So I'll just quickly recap. Okay, so that everyone has an idea. But before I recap, so as usual, we will first write the class structure. Okay, what all things you can expect in today's class. Okay, let us see how much different things we can run. And today I have slightly added on some new features. Okay, in today's class structure. So what are those features? I'm going to tell you now. Okay, so first I will write the structure. Okay, so today yes, new page, August 4. Okay, so very nice. So first I have curious video. So what is that? I'll definitely tell. Okay, then we'll quickly run through the positive thought. Okay, then we were doing chromatography. So we will complete chromatography first. Okay, then after chromatography, I want to do the next separating technique. Okay, that is separating funnel. Okay, only two. Every day we're gonna have two separating techniques. That's all. Okay, so that you can remember everything what is happening in detail. Okay, and then after that I have one experiment video. Then curious video 2. Okay, then I have a case study. And next, the surprise element and Kahoot and story. Okay, hope we can do at least 75% of this in today's class. Okay, so this is the plan. Okay, this is the plan. So let us see let us see how much we can do. Okay, we should be optimistic. Okay, how much we can do, how much we cannot do, that is different thing. At least we should dream big. Okay, dream big so that you have lot of things, okay, waiting for you. Fine, so this is the idea now. So let us continue with the curious video. Okay, then after curious video, so I'll tell you about the test and all those announcements part. Okay, curious video plus announcement later. Okay, so first we'll run with the curious video. So what is today's curious video? So real quick, just gonna run through this. Okay,
मकान खाली करते नहीं हो, होगा बन के।
okay, fine. So why did I show you about this? Okay, of course. Okay, so on August 1st, so we had Bakrid. Okay, so the important thing that I realized is that you need to acknowledge, okay, and understand every festival as well as this big ones. Okay, so which we are mostly not aware of. Okay, so now as a majority, okay, of course, all of us, okay, so all of us are Hindus. We do not celebrate. Okay, but I just got a new diversified feeling when I went to college, where you have different religions, okay, different types of people. Some of my friends were Muslims. Okay, some of them were from Northeast, you know, like Assam, Nagaland, all such places. Okay, and some of them were from NRI. Okay, that is they came from Abu Dhabi. Okay, as in Dubai, they have a separate quota called DASA. Okay, that is for the NRIs. They can get admission into NITK or all the NITs, not IITs, only NITs, DASA. Okay, so I have different types of friends. Okay, so we need to at least appreciate, okay, and acknowledge other major religions also. Now, who can tell me the reason behind celebration of Bakri? Okay, tomorrow I'm going to tell about Friendship Day. Day after tomorrow, Raksha Bandhan, everything. Every one day, one festival. Okay, fine. So since August 1st was Bakrid came first. Okay, so who can tell me the real significance of Bakrid? Okay, so Vinayak says, okay, I'm expecting other answers. Okay, so Vinayak says end fasting. Okay, Srishti says end of fasting. Okay, any other? Okay, Yash says New Year came first. Okay, so not in the other chronicle order, the holidays that we gave, okay, for the past 3 days. Okay, it's based on that. Okay, so based on that. Okay, so any other responses? Because as an Indian, we live in a diverse country. Okay, so we should know about other religion and why do they celebrate, at least a small, okay, briefly you should be aware of. Okay, so now Shraddha says we should not kill animals. Okay, correct, that is true. Okay, Vinayak says devotion. Okay, fine. So the main important thing of Bakri, okay, is this. Okay, if there's anyone who follows Islam tradition, you can definitely tell us more. Okay, but this is what I have realized from my Muslim friends. Okay, so when I was in college. Okay, yes, of course. So now many of you tell that, sir, they kill animals, sir, they kill goat, they kill sheep, okay, on this Bakrid, okay, because according to the festival, you have to sacrifice, okay. The Bakrid is nothing but a sacrificing festival, okay, so where you got to sacrifice. So they sacrifice animals, okay, they sacrifice animals. Now some of you tell, sir, that is bad, sir, sacrificing animals is bad and all that. I agree, okay, but it is their tradition, okay, it is their culture, okay. So basically my Muslim friends, what they said is that it is a occasion for sacrificing, but more than the animals, okay, the occasion is meant to sacrifice negative things in your life, okay. That is the real significance, okay. This is what my friends have told me, okay. The real significance of Bakrid is to sacrifice negative things, okay, or bad things in your life, okay. So that is what the reason behind, okay. So reason behind celebration of Bakrid. And of course they cut goat, then they share the food, okay, they share the food, the meat, all those things, okay. That is separate, okay. That is their tradition, that is their culture, routine, whatever, okay. But this is the main intention, that is to sacrifice negative things, okay. So if anyone is there, okay, from Islam background, okay, you can definitely tell more, because this is what I know, okay. And I'm positive enough that you people should also understand little basic things about all the important festivals, okay. Whether it belongs to your religion or not, you should be aware, okay. Fine. So with that, we'll get going to the next segment, okay, announcement. So that is August 9th, okay. You might have seen in the WhatsApp group also, no science test. August 9th, you do not have science test, okay. August 9th, you have maths test only, okay. August 9th is reserved for maths test, okay. No science test, but maths test, okay. Fine. So now, so quickly, so we'll get going with the positive thought, okay, and then I have to continue with the chromatography, okay. So till now we have covered this many positive thoughts, okay. I'm very happy for that, okay. So now today's positive thought, so that is August, okay, August 4. Today's positive thought is from Amog, okay. So today 2 positive thoughts are there, okay. I'm running with 2 positive thoughts because many people have sent during this vacation, and you'll be disappointed if I do not do, okay. So I'm going to start with Amog, and then I'm going to do Sunidhi's also, okay. But first Amog, alphabetical order, that's all, no discrimination, just alphabetical order, okay. So what is Amog's thought for the day? So this is what Amog has said: you have to go through the worst, okay. You have to go through the worst in order to achieve the best. I just slightly modified, okay. I just slightly modified the thought, okay. You have to go through the worst in order to achieve the best. If you want some extraordinary results, then you should put extraordinary efforts. You cannot just sleep for 10 hours, 15 hours, and then expect magic to happen, okay. No, you want best things, then you should work hard accordingly, okay. So this was Amog's thought of the day, okay. Very nice, very good. So next, Sunidhi's thought, okay. So this is Sunidhi's thought, okay. So nowadays we'll be having, from now onwards, we'll have two thoughts, okay, so that everybody's chance will come, okay. So what is Sunidhi's thought? So this is Sunidhi's thought: success is not a destination. Success is not a destination, okay. Success is a journey, okay. Success is a journey, okay. You're going to learn a lot of things on the way to achieve success. On the way to achieve success, you will learn a lot of lessons which will be a life-changing lessons for you. Okay, so very good. So these are today's thoughts of the day. So very fantastic. Now we'll continue with our chromatography. Okay, so last class, a quick recap about chromatography. So in chromatography technique, so our main idea is to separate the different colored components, okay, from the dye. Okay, colored components from the dye. Okay, so where there are some conditions. Okay, so there are some conditions. What are the conditions? The conditions is that the components should be present in the same solvent. Okay, the components should be present in the same solvent. Okay, so these colored components should be present in the same solvent. Okay, and the whole concept behind chromatography is this. I put a box, no, solubility. It is based on the solubility of the colored components, how much they can dissolve or how much they are soluble in the solvent. Okay, that is the concept. And of course, the name of the technique is chromatography, where chroma means color. Okay, where chroma means color. So this is the idea. Okay, now the important thing we learned from the experiment video. If you remember last class, I showed an experiment video. Again, I'm going to show a Chotu video of chromatography. So over here, you need to understand this. The more soluble solute will rise further. Okay, the more soluble solute will rise further. It will go top. Okay, compared to the less soluble solute. Okay, so in this example, okay, red is less soluble. Okay, that is why red got separated first. Okay, blue is more soluble, hence blue will rise further. Okay, blue will rise further. We will just, for a recap, we will see one more video. Okay, we'll see one more video of the experiment and then we'll continue. Okay, so let us watch this video of chromatography technique. To stop here itself. All this is not there for your 9th standard. They will never ask you to calculate the formula. Okay, RF stands for retardation factor. Okay, which you need not calculate. It is not there. When you go to 11th and 12th standard, that time you have numericals. You have question answers based on this experiment. Okay, now for 9th standard level, all you have to understand is this much. Okay, that is the concept. Okay, that is the concept. What happens in chromatography concept, if you know, that is fantastic. Okay, only that much is sufficient for your 9th standard level. Okay, so other advanced things we're gonna see later. Okay, so now we will first stick to what is there as per the CBSE syllabus. Okay, fine. So this much is our concept. Okay, if you understood till here, click on the yes icon. Okay, I will again explain. Okay, but if you understood till here, click on the yes icon. Okay, if you did not understand, you can definitely click on no. I have no issues, but you need to be specified. Okay, you need to specifically ask which part you did not understand. You can type and send. I will not tell your name. Don't worry. Okay, I'll not tell your name. I'll keep it a secret. Okay, so I will not embarrass. No, nothing. Okay, you just have to type and send which part you did not understand. Okay, which part in the technique you did not understand. Okay, you cannot simply tell I did not understand anything. Come on, all of us are human beings. There is something that you might have understood. Okay, you cannot tell 100% you did not understand. That's not going to happen. Okay, but anyways, I will again explain. Okay, I will again explain the complete concept. Okay, I will again explain the complete concept of chromatography. Okay, with the help of the diagram. Okay, what is the diagram? I am going to do the diagram first. Okay, and side by side I will explain. Okay, and you see, I am doing concepts as per CBSE. Some school, they have decided not to give this. That is depending on your school. Okay, I want knowledge. Okay, I want you to get knowledge. Okay, all this is there as per the CBSE syllabus. You can open the WhatsApp group where I have already put 2 weeks back only. I have already put as per CBSE what is deleted and what is retained. I'm going to run as per the CBSE, that is final. Okay, and other extra things also I will do, that is for knowledge. Okay, so please do not worry if your school is giving the topic for exam or not. That is depending on your school. Everything is not for marks, take it for knowledge also. Okay, as per 9th standard CBSE what is there, I'm doing that. Okay, fine. So now without any interruption, please focus here. Please focus here on the experiment. Okay, so now I'm going to first draw the diagram and explain what exactly is happening here. Okay, so first of all, you need to take this paper. Okay, what is this paper? Okay, so this is a different type of filter paper called Whatman filter paper. I will write here Whatman filter paper. Okay, so for better understanding, below this only I will write the process also. I'll write the process also. Okay, yes, I'm back again finally. Okay, so there's some issue with my apartment's power connection. Okay, we're going to discuss about that later. That's my problem, I will get it resolved. Okay, so coming back to the topic, so as I said, so we will understand the process again for those who did not understand the concept. Okay, so please carefully now understand the steps. Okay, so what are the steps? Okay, step number 1. Okay, you take a thin strip. Okay, take a thin strip of filter paper. Okay, this is not a common filter paper. This is called a Whatman. Okay, Whatman filter paper. Okay, just a special type of filter paper, that's all. Okay, this is just a special type of filter paper which I have taken. You see in the diagram I have taken. Okay, now step 2. Okay, step 2, what you should do, draw a line. Okay, draw a line on the filter paper. Okay, and put a spot. Okay, draw a line on it and put a spot of ink. Okay, how I'm going to do it now? I did a line like this. At the middle I will put the ink. Okay, you see I put the ink. Okay, spot, dark ink. Okay, 2 drops or 3 drops. Okay, so that it is dark enough, that's all. Don't pour the entire ink bottle. Okay, don't do only 2 drops or maximum 3 drops at the middle. Okay, just make a dark spot. Don't do so dark that it will become a hole and you spoil the filter paper. Don't do that. Okay, so as much dark as possible you do without spoiling the paper. Okay, that is our step 2. Next step. Okay, next step, insert this filter paper in the water as shown in the diagram. Okay, as shown in the diagram. How? I'm going to tell you now. Okay, insert it in a beaker or a glass full of water as shown in the diagram. In a beaker of water as shown in the diagram. Okay, so how? I'm going to show it to you now. Okay, so if I take this, okay, if I take this as my beaker, okay, or whatever. Okay, so this is my beaker like this. So in which I put water. Okay, suppose this is the water. Okay, so I have to insert such a way that it slightly touches the water. That's all. Okay, slightly. Don't put it completely inside. No, slightly it should touch the water so that it can absorb. So that it can absorb the water. Okay, such that water can be absorbed. Okay, such that it absorbs. Okay, it absorbs water. Okay, this is our setup. Okay, this is our setup. Next, what you need to notice is the last step, that is step 4. Okay, this is your observation. So what you need to observe, notice. Okay, notice the separation, of colors. Okay, notice the separation of colors as the water rises. Okay, as the water rises. Okay, so now what you need to notice here is that, okay, in the video also you saw, once the water keeps on rising, once it keeps absorbing, okay, what happens is that in this filter paper, the colored components starts to get separated out. Okay, so suppose there are two colors, red and green. Okay, so as the water level rises, the more soluble solute, I'm going to write here, as the water rises through the filter paper. Okay, water rises in the filter paper. So you need to notice, you need to observe that along with the water, the colored component also rises. Okay, the colored component also rises. The components also rises and gets separated. Okay, and gets separated. Okay, so how does it get separated? I'm just going to show you only the picture. Okay, I'm just going to show you the picture. Okay, so real quick. So when you look at the picture, okay, so you will understand here. Okay, as the water level rises, you can see here 3 pictures. Okay, the components got separated, B, A and C. Okay, 3 different components were there. They got separated. Okay, they got separated, and these are their position. Just assume B, A and C. Out of this, C, component C is the least soluble component, colored component present in the ink. Okay, in the ink, component C is the least soluble. Okay, followed by component A, followed by component B in the diagram. Okay, they're going to get separated like that. Okay, they're going to get separated like one more picture I will show. See here. Okay, very good picture, very good picture. So along with the water, the color also rises. In this, can you tell me which component is more soluble according to this diagram? You can send in chat. Okay, you can send in chat. Okay, which component is more soluble from this diagram? Okay, very nice. Many people answered, but I'm going to go with the first person. Okay, first person to answer correctly. Okay, first person. Yes, answered correct, followed by Sri Krishna, then Pranamya, everyone. Okay, now the question is, which is more soluble? Okay, which component is more soluble? That component which rises more. Okay, out in the picture, which is at the top? Which is at the top? The blue color. Okay, so hence blue color is the most soluble component. Okay, present in the ink. Present in the ink. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same stuff. I'm going to do the same stuff over here. Okay, so in this color ink, whatever color ink was there, so I write like this. I write like this. Okay, it got separated. So here, least soluble. Okay, and over here most soluble. Okay, that's all. Okay, so this is our conclusion. Okay, this is our conclusion. So if the colors have there are different types of chromatography. Okay, there are different types of chromatography. So this is based on thin layer chromatography. We call it as TLC. Srishti is asking, what if the color is transparent? Okay, what if the color is transparent? Okay, then we got to at least go for other types of components. Okay, so you mean what color? Okay, you mean what color? Transparent in the sense, can you be a little bit more clear? So which one are you talking about? Okay, I'm talking about the colored components present in the ink. Okay, the colored components present in the ink will have a color. Okay, so that is our knowledge. Okay, that is our knowledge. Okay, because the colored components, we are talking about the color in the general sense. Okay, color in general sense. So for special cases, we have special methods. Okay, for special cases, we have special method. This is just for the colored components. Look at the topic. Okay, separating different colored components from the dye. Okay, this is for this. We're going to use this topic. Okay, how does the water rise? The water will rise because it will absorb. Come on, you put paper in the water and see what will happen. The paper will absorb water. Come on, man, that's the basic thing. Okay, once the filter paper absorbs water, along with the water, the color also gets traveled. What were you doing? I showed you the experiment video for a reason. Okay, please focus. These are like basic things. Okay, so over here, as the water level rises in the filter paper, the components also rises and gets separated. Okay, and how does it get separated? Okay, the least soluble component will come out first. Okay, the least soluble component, okay, will separate first. Okay, the most soluble component, okay, the most soluble component, okay, will separate last. Okay, will separate last. Okay, it will travel further. Okay, it will travel further, or it will rise further. Okay, it will rise further along with the water. Okay, it will rise further. Okay, it will rise further. Okay, along with water. Okay, so this whole thing we have done in the previous year also. Okay, so according to this, blue component is more soluble than red component. Okay, the same logic also works here. So now in green and red, which is more soluble? I can write here, green is more soluble than red. Can write here solubility. Okay, the green color, okay, the green color is more soluble than the red color. In what? Ink. We are talking about ink, the dye. Okay, please don't get confused. Okay, so this is our entire logic behind chromatography. Okay, the logic behind chromatography. And in the experiment video which I showed, okay, in the experiment video also, okay, in this experiment video, okay, notice carefully, okay, how they have properly shown the components present in the ink will get separated out. If you understood this technique, click on the yes icon. Okay, if you understood this technique, click on the yes icon. Okay, so do not worry, calculation part and the numericals part from this technique is not there. For 9th standard, it is only the concept, no numericals. Based on chromatography, no numericals. Okay, simple. You just need to know the concept. That is all we expect you to do in 9th standard. Okay, so now this is our chromatography. So we also have some applications or the users. Will quickly write this and stop the class. Okay, so we just spend so much of time, okay, on this topic. That's okay, no issues. Okay, so what are the uses? What are the uses? So the first use we just saw, to separate, okay, to separate the components of the die, okay, to separate different, to separate the different colors present in the die. Okay, so Swayam, please wait. First, I will complete the whole topic and then I'll show you the notes, everything. I'll upload the notes also in the WhatsApp link. Don't worry about notes. Focus on the topic. Okay, focus on the topic. Notes, where will it go? I'll put it in the group. Don't worry. Okay, focus on the topic. Okay, separate the drugs from the blood. Okay, because of their solubility levels. Okay, because of their solubility levels. Okay, next, okay, everything for separation only. Okay, so to separate the pigments, pigments means colored pigments, okay, colored components from the natural color. Okay, not only from the ink, from other things also we can separate. Okay, from other things also we can separate. Okay, the most important one is in the pharmaceutical industries. Okay, if you remember the other day I showed tablets in the beginning of the class. Okay, how many of you remember? How many of you remember that I showed some tablets in the beginning of the previous class? Okay, so in the pharmaceutical industries also they use chromatography. Okay, but that is a different levels. Okay, some advanced techniques are there. So I'm just going to write here pharmaceutical industries. Okay, pharmaceutical industries also they use technique. Which technique? Chromatography technique. Okay, but their objective is different. Okay, they want to obtain the pure component. Okay, then last, okay, then last, to detect the presence of contamination or the waste things. Okay, presence of contamination in food and water. Okay, so these are some uses. Okay, so you should remember at least two. Okay, so we have written more. You have to remember minimum two. Okay, so this is our uses. Okay, and this is our technique, chromatography. Okay, very simple, very easy. Just focus on the separation of colors. Okay, focus on the separation of colors. Remember this. Okay, remember this. The more soluble solute will rise further and the less soluble solute will get separated first. Okay, that's all. What I've written in the note over here also, what I've written, this is your conclusion. Okay, this is your conclusion. Just remember, don't do overaction, don't do overthinking and all. Life is simple. The concept is simple. Okay, let's not make it complicated. Okay, only this much. Least soluble component will separate first. Most soluble component will separate last. That's all. Okay, and after that, in the end, you should know the uses. Okay, after that, in the end, you should know the uses. In the exam, they will ask only two minimum. Okay, but we have written 5 so that you know extra uses as well. Okay, cool. So this was chromatography. Okay, now, okay, so now real quick, okay, so real quick, you can type www.kahoot.it, okay, and join the quiz. So I'm just going to share my screen, enter the game pin and join the quiz. Okay, so what is the game pin? So I'm just going to show you the game pin. Okay, yes. So on your screen now, you can see the game pin. So enter this and join the quiz. Okay, so again, I'm telling, do not worry about the notes. I will put it in the notes link. You can download from there. Okay, don't worry. Focus on the class. Okay, so another 10 seconds. Okay, so please join fast. Okay, cool. So on your screen, question number 1. Okay, so very good. The concept is based on the solubility. Okay, very nice. So let us see how many of you got it correct. Okay, and Yash was quickest to get it. So now next question. True or false? Okay, very nice. So as you can see, the most soluble component will rise top. Okay, will rise further. Okay, only this much you remember, Sak. Okay, this is the whole idea. That's all. Okay, don't make it complicated. This life is simple. As I said, this much you should know. That's all. Okay, you should know the solubility levels of the components. Okay, fine. So let us see the next question. So Yash is still leading the scoreboard. The next question is based on separating funnel, which we did not do in today's class. Okay, so I'm going to skip that question. I'm going to skip that question because I will do the topic in the next class. Okay, so I'm going to skip the question. This is just a question, but I'm going to skip the question. Not counted. Okay, not counted because I haven't done the topic. It will be unfair. Okay, so I'm going to skip the question. Tomorrow we'll continue the topic. Okay, now with this we end the quiz. Okay, based on chromatography. So third position we have Sri Krishna. So second position we have Suhani, and the winner of today's quiz is Yash. Okay, so congratulations everyone. So fourth position Sneha, fifth position Dia. Okay, fourth position Sneha, fifth position Dia, and very good. Okay, so with that we're gonna end the quiz. Okay, we're gonna end the quiz with this. Okay, I'm again gonna share back my iPad screen. Okay, let's come back. Okay, cool. So separating funnel, we'll do it in the next class. Okay, that is tomorrow's class. We'll do the separating funnel. Okay, So whatever remaining things are there, which we can do in the next couple of minutes, we will finish that. Okay, so coming back. August 4th. Chromatography over. This is not experiment video. No, Kahoot. Okay. So I'll just quickly run with the story and I'll stop. Okay, I'll run with the story and I'll stop for another couple of minutes. Okay. So story. We completed the story. You can just tell me what is the status of the story. I think I've completed the story. My story over. Okay, the story over. Moral of the story also over. Okay, so everything over. So it's time for us to start a new story. Okay, start a new story. So we can do one thing. Okay, so the next story what I'm going to tell is in connection with what I'm doing in the foundation story. Okay, so that is why what I'll do is that once I complete the foundation story, I'll go back to my school days, because I know you will relate more to the school days stories. Okay, so till then I will have one additional filler story. Okay, so till I complete that foundation story, because that is continuation of this. Okay, fine. So that is why the new story what we're going to run, okay, today is called Linga. Okay, the story name. Okay, so tomorrow we're going to continue with that. Okay, so the new story is called Linga. Okay, the new story is called Linga. So we're going to see about Linga in the next class. Thank you so much. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.